Thank you for joining. I hope that you are doing well. Vegetarian no bone broth, a collagen-rich vegetable broth. I recently shared a video on bone broth, and viewers asked if there is a vegetarian option with similar properties. The answer is yes and no. Collagen is an animal product, as are bones, so there is not some special vegetarian bone water out there. There are, however, an abundance of plants that support the body's production of collagen, which can be used to make a similar mineral-rich plant-based broth. You want to make a broth because the body easily absorbs it, allowing ready assimilation of nutrients that protect bones, teeth, tissues, and organs. A plant-based option to the traditional bone broth works the same, or if not better. Turns out the most beneficial nutrients and electrolytes in bone broth can be found in vegetarian-friendly sources. Plants offer richer sources in collagen building blocks, and in addition provide nutrients not found in sufficient quantities in meats or broth. Therefore, it seems pretty clear that using a bunch of wholesome plant-based ingredients is going to be way more healing. You can add whatever ingredients you like to this broth. You might think that the seaweed would make this broth a little overwhelming. However, it isn't really noticeable, and the little bit that is noticeable is actually delicious. It pairs wonderfully with the mushrooms, ginger, and chili. Vegetables that are orange in color, like carrots, squash, and sweet potatoes, are rich in vitamin A, which restores and regenerates damaged collagen. Tomatoes, red peppers, and beets contain the antioxidant lycopene. The presence of lycopenes in these types of foods helps to act as antioxidants, which in turn increases collagen production. Dark green vegetables are excellent food sources that contain collagen-producing agents. Rich in vitamin C, regular consumption of kale, spinach, dandelion greens, collards, and asparagus helps to strengthen the body's ability to manufacture collagen and to utilize the protein effectively. Cabbage is also one of the most well-known foods containing collagen-producing agents. Green beans contain hyaluronic acid, which is a vital anti-aging substance. Hyaluronic acid increases skin hydration, keeping skin moist and smooth, boosts skin elasticity, increases collagen synthesis, nourishes healthy skin cell growth, promotes firm skin tone, and supports healthier joints. Avocados provide vitamin E to help prevent collagen breakdown, as well as healthy fats to improve the health of skin cells. Whether you use soy milk, cheese, or tofu, soy contains plant hormones that serve as antioxidants, which prompts collagen production and helps to block enzymes that can age the skin. Garlic is one of the best sources of sulfur, which is necessary to collagen production in the body. Garlic also provides lipoic acid and taurine, which help rebuild collagen fibers that have been damaged. Black and green olives are also rich in sulfur. Wakame seaweed, which is a great source of omega-3s, one of the best for vegetarians, great for intestinal health, full of vitamins and minerals, a particularly good source of iron, calcium, magnesium, and iodine. Shiitake mushrooms give the most amazing, comforting flavor, full of vitamins and minerals, great source of vitamin D, especially in sun-dried, zinc, and B vitamins. Contains all essential amino acids and is also a prebiotic. Coconut oil and olive oil are healthy fats with a good omega-3 to 6 ratio that help absorb nutrients. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory, plus adds delicious flavor and a beautiful color. A collagen-rich vegetable broth can aid in making what our bodies already naturally produce, and plant-based vitamins and minerals are the best options to actually help it do that. One of the key points to keep in mind is that it is possible to provide everything your body needs to produce collagen by eating a balanced diet. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.